Kakayanin ba nila? Ako, kakayanin ko ba kapag dumating yung pagkakataong yun? Yung araw na yun, kaya ko ba? Kaya ko ba, Manang?
Ayan ka na naman. Tinatakot na naman ang sarili mo. Tandaan mo, hindi na ikaw yung babae sa nakaraan mo. At kung dumating ang panahon na malaman nilang katotohanan, sana sapat ang pagmamahal nila sa'yo para maunawaan nilang nakaraan mo.
Surprise! I know you'd be here.
Tita Rani,
This is for you.
ano pong ginagawa niyo dito?
Well, gave that as an additional birthday gift or maybe peace offering.
Parang hindi enough to, tita, sa nagawa mo ng birthday ko.
Amber, I know I was too harsh that night. Sobrang concerned lang naman ako sa inyo. Lalo na sa'yo. Ang totoo yung sinabi ko dati namin siyang meet.
Wala namang masama doon na dati siyang kasambahay.
And my ex-husband gave her lots of money.
Because...
Thank you. Well, my ex-husband was, masyadong generous, charitable, and I may have been judgmental. Alam mo, Amber, after nung nangyaring birthday mo, I've been thinking, maybe I was wrong about Lorena. And I want to be proven wrong sa mga accusations ko. If that's what it takes for you to forgive me, my favorite Amber.
Talaga? Hindi niyo na po aawayan si Dad and Tita Lorena?
Of course, sweetheart. But you know me. Kapag may ginawa siyang masama sa inyo, ako ang unang makakalaban niya. Okay?
Ilang buwan pa lang tayong magkasama, pero ang dami nang nangyari.
Pero kahit gan kaiksi, minahal mo pa rin si Amber. Minahal ka din niya. Minahal natin yung isa't isa. Diba?
Wilfred? Paano pag nagtagal? Paano pag mas nakilala niyo pa ako?
Ganun yung kinakatakot ko. Pag mas nakalala mo pa ako, Lorena. Pero... ganun naman pag pumasok sa isang relasyon, di ba? Kahit ano pa madiscover niyo sa isa't isa, pipiliin niyo pa rin yung isa't isa. Every version of each other. Di ba, sabi mo gusto mo pang mag-hangout with Amber? Why don't you do it sa bahay namin? Yeah. Sabi mo, babawi ka sa birthday niya, di ba?
Ha? Bakit doon? First time ko kung sakasakali.
And it won't be the last. I hope someday soon you'll consider moving in.
Move in agad?
Yeah. Amber will love having you around. And also you get to see the house that I built for her.
Okay lang kaya talaga na pumunta ako doon? Hindi ba nakakahiya? Bahay yun ni Jocelyn. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You know, Amber's mother would have wanted Amber to feel loved, safe. If nakita ka niya how you are with Amber, I'm sure she will love you too. And our house, Lorena, our house is not just about the past anymore. It's about the present. About this. And what we're building now. Kaya please, pumayag ka na.
Sige na nga. Sige, pupunta ako.
Tita Lorena, I don't think she'd mind if andyan yung portrait ni Mom.
Sure she won't mind.
Seriously, wala? No one's that private unless may tinatago.
Pwede ka nang umuwi sa atin?
Bibisita mo pa lang ako, ah.
Quiet na tayo, ah. May surprise si Dad.
Surprise?
And that's Joy, my late wife. Will you marry me?